Hello and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, let's make this deeply aromatic, rich and flavorful ghee rice. Let's begin with the ingredients. You will need 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash, submerge the basmati rice in water and let it soak for 15 minutes. 4 cups of water, salt to season, 4 tablespoons of ghee. You might need more to fry the garnishing ingredients and onions, so keep a few tablespoons on hand. Half a cup of raisins, 2 large onions sliced fine, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, and 2 thin strips of mace, 4 cloves, 5 cardamoms. Now let's fry the garnishing ingredients first. Place a frying pan over low heat and pour in the ghee. Let the ghee heat and then add the raisins. Gently fry them until they turn golden and plump. Transfer the raisins onto a kitchen paper towel. Pour a little more ghee if needed, and then add the sliced onions. Gently fry them over low-medium heat until they are crispy and golden brown in color. Once the onions are fried, transfer them to a separate bowl. Now let's cook the ghee rice. Place a large cooking pan over low-medium heat and pour in the leftover ghee which you fried the raisins and the onions. Add bay leaf, cinnamon, mace, star anise, cardamoms, cloves. Add 1/4 cup of the fried onions to the ghee as well. While the whole spices sautés, drain the soaking rice, and once the whole spices begin to release their aroma, gently add the rice into the cooking pan. Mix with the spices and ghee. Then pour in the water. Season with salt. Cover and cook over low-medium heat until the water evaporates. This would take 15 to 20 minutes depending on how much heat you use. When the rice is cooked, remove the cover and using a spoon, bring the rice which is in the bottom to the surface to avoid the bottom rice being overcooked. If there is any moisture in the bottom, cover and cook over very low heat for a few minutes. Once the rice is cooked, transfer the fragrant rice onto a plate. Now let's garnish the ghee rice. Spread the fried raisins and onions over the rice. You can also add fried cashews. You also have the option of adding the raisins and the fried onions and the cashews directly while it is in the cooking pan as well, and mixing it into the rice before serving it. And this is your fragrant festive ghee rice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another great recipe.